Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we will explore a little bit about the Finder. Finder and Finder preferences in the Apple Mac. What is Finder? I simply search one definition from the apple.com. It includes the Finder menu bar at the top of the screen and the desktop below at this. It uses Windows icons to show you the contents of your Mac, iCloud Drive, other storage devices. It's called Finder because it helps you to find and organize your files. Finder is because of it helps you to find and organize your files. That is called Finder. So we will see the preferences of the Finder. I'm just going to the desktop, clicking desktop, the Finder is coming. I'm just going to the preferences. See, there are different properties of there. Finder preferences there, preferences the properties are there. See, show these item on the desktop. Which item I want to show on the desktop. Let's say hard drive. See, my hard drive is coming there. Before was not coming, now is coming. I'm just uncheck this one, it's gone. External drive, if I have USB and other drives are mounted in my system, it will show on the desktop. I'm just unchecking. I'm clicking this one again. CD-ROM, CD, DVD, iPad. You know, I check this one. If you are putting CD or DVD in the CD-ROM, then your DVD will display here. Connected server there. If some connected servers are there, it will be connected. New Finder Windows show my files, and similarly open folders in the tab instead of new windows. And Spring delay spring loaded folders and windows. We can set other short, medium and long. Then there's the tags are there. We can define different these tags with our contents, and we can search easily. Then there are sidebar menus are there. Sidebar menu, let's say I'm just going to the go option. I'm just checking my sidebar. This is the favorites. It's coming on the favorites. These are the sidebar. So one by one I'm just check and check. You will see the, let's say here I don't want to see desktop disappear, document disappear, but I want these items. I'm just unselecting music, movie, pictures, you know. Then iCloud, I have airdrop. I don't want airdrop here, it's gone. So from here we can check uncheck favorites. Then come on the share folder. There are some share folders are there. Connected servers are there. If you have some connected server, you can. Then devices are there. Android hard drive is there. In the devices pane, my hard drive showing here untitled. I'm just unchecking this option. It will disappear. Similarly, CD-ROM is there. Tags are there. Then we are going to the advanced option. Show all file name extensions. If I have one file, PDF file is there. Okay, so if you're checking this option, then you can see also the file extension name also. Like I'm just going, see, now I have RDP file, then zip file there. I'm just unchecking this option. We will see the difference. Show all file extensions. Show warning before changing the extensions. This option is there. When performing a search this Mac, whole Mac, current folder. We can set the destination folder for the search. So these are the Finder preferences provided by the Apple Mac. Thank you so much watching this channel. Our channel Abdul Fanzone. Please subscribe and share our channel for more videos. Thank you so much watching this video.